What's going on, guys? So in front of me, I had the latest smart indoor air quality monitor device from INKBIRD Model IAM-T1. This is a portable device that you could bring with you anywhere you go if you are looking for a portable device that will tell you your living area carbon dioxide or CO2 level, relative humidity level, the temperature around you, and the air pressure around you, then you definitely want to check out this product right here. All right, so here's the box shipped and delivered into you. Feels very nice and high quality. I usually like to compare things to Apple products, and this does give me a very good feeling and similar to opening and holding Apple products in the hand. So here's a quick picture of the actual product in the front, the IAM-T1 model, and quick details on the back. Other than that, guys, pretty simple and straightforward, just like Apple products. So you will have to cut the two stickers on both the left and the right side here before you can get access and get inside of the box. So it slides out, again, very similar to Apple products, and immediately you are greeted with the instructional manual. Looks very similar, right, guys? The actual product itself, and last of all, also comes with 2 AA battery. And what's really nice about this product right here is, guys, on just 2 of these AA batteries, this could last up to 4 years of continuous use. So of course, in here you have a quick starter guide along with a more detailed instructional manual. It is pretty straightforward and easy to use. You can actually connect this device to your cellular device as well. It works with any phone, whether it be Android or Apple devices. All you have to do is download the INKBIRD app, load it up, and it will connect to your phone via Bluetooth latest version 5.0. So now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the actual product itself. This is an electronic ink display screen right here. It shows you everything that you need to know, from CO2 level to temperature, relative humidity, and air pressure level. On the front, you have the INKBIRD logo right there, and this little liner down here is made out of gray fabric. Looks and feels very nice as well. Quick look on the side. On the back, you have this little hole right here in which you can hang this anywhere you want. Top and last look on the back. Now, to install the battery in here, all you have to do is simply lift this back out. This gives you access into the back, and this is where you will be inserting the 2 AA battery right here. There's one button right here in which you can convert the temperature display from Celsius to Fahrenheit. All you have to do is press it once to let it display Celsius and press it once more for it to display the temperature in Fahrenheit. And right next to it, we have the Bluetooth on and off switch. So on the right is off, and move it over to the right, it is on, and it is ready to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and put the batteries in there. Once you have the battery in there, all you have to do is line this back up to how you took it out and simply snap it back into place. Just like that, and it is ready to go. As you can see it, guys, the display came on immediately and looks very, very clear and very nicely contrast. Now, guys, I'm not sure if you noticed so far or not, but again, guys, the display on this product is with electronic ink, so it is very, very clear, and it is not that reflective at all. So you can view this display from any angle you're looking at it, from 180 degrees, whether you're all the way over here to the left or all the way over here to the right, or looking at it in the center. You can see it very, very clearly. And again, the display, the way they design it, it barely have any kind of glare or any reflection. That way you can see it no matter where you're standing at. So check it out, guys. There's 3 different ways in which you can read the CO2 or carbon dioxide level. One is the number right here. This is displayed as in parts per million, ppm. Current CO2 level in my home right now is 1,356 ppm. And that is where it is kind of like in the mid yellow. Now, when it is on green, which is under 1,000, it is very good. When it is at about 1,000 to 1,400, it will reach the yellow meter right here, which means it is okay. Now, when it is over 1,400, it will go to the red, meaning the CO2 level in the home is getting very high, and that is a bad thing, and that you will have to do something to fix it. On here, you have the temperature, which is currently at 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, if you press the button on the back here, you can switch over to Celsius. As you can see right there, when I click the button, it immediately converted to 24 degrees Celsius. If I click it once more, it will go right back to 76.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So 1 decimal point, which is very, very accurate. And the number below here, 69%, is the humidity level in my living area right now. Once you are connected to Bluetooth, you will be able to read the air pressure in your home as well. There's a screen protector right here in which you can take it off. Now, when your CO2 level increased to over 1,400, it will reach to the red level right here. This product will indicate and give you off a messenger or an announcement letting you know that the CO2 level is too high in your home. It will give off a noise, and the screen, as right now, you can see the background is white and the display is black. When the CO2 level increases too high over 1400, the background will turn into black and the display will turn into white instead, letting you know that the CO2 level in your home is dangerously high and it needs to be fixed immediately. So what does it mean if the CO2 level is high in your home, and what can you do to decrease the CO2 level? So as you can see right here, guys, by simply moving the sensor from my living room over to my kitchen, because my kitchen is closer to the outdoor area and I just opened my door to let the outside air come in, the CO2 level decreased tremendously. What this CO2 level tells you is pretty much the atmosphere in your home is not having enough fresh air. The ventilation might not be at its best, or the circulation. So all you really have to do is maybe turn on the fan, turn on your AC for better ventilation, or just simply open the door and let some fresh air come into your house. And the CO2 level will decrease tremendously, as you can see right here. So now let me go ahead and bring this inside of my office and see what the CO2 level is inside of my office. And look at this, guys. To my surprise, the CO2 level in my office is high of 1670, much higher than even my living room. That is because I could guess easily, because I never have my window open in here and the door is always closed. So the filtration or the circulation ventilation in here is not too well at all. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and open my window and keep the office door open. That way the air can get in and out and I can get some fresh air in here to lower the CO2 level. And here I am inside of my master bedroom, guys. The CO2 level in here is at 719, which is in the perfect range in the green area, which makes perfect sense because me and my wife always keep the door open, have perfect ventilation in here because we keep the window open every other days or so. And we also have 2 AC vents in here to keep the room cool down at all time. The accuracy level of carbon dioxide that this product can display is so accurate, down to plus or negative 30 parts per million, guys, and that is very, very accurate. And all of this is possible thanks to the high technological chip that is built inside of this product from the world-leading Swedish Sense Air, the NDIR sensor. And as I mentioned before, guys, on just 2 single AA batteries, this device can last up to 4 years of continuous use for displaying CO2 level. Now, this device can read the CO2 level within your living area every 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. You can have set it up to however you like. For that 4 years battery, of course, you will have to let it read at every 10 minutes. When you first power up this device, it will automatically be set to read the CO2 level every 1 minute. All right, so once you download the app, you are going to go ahead and click the plus sign on the top right corner here. And then scroll all the way down until you see the IAM-T1 model right here, and go ahead and select it. Now simply follow the instruction, remove the back, switch the switch over to on, and then make sure your phone Bluetooth is enabled and select next. Once your phone finds the device, go ahead and select confirm. Press the button. And just like that, guys, your device is connected to your phone. And now you can read all of the CO2 level, temperature, air pressure, and relative humidity up to 100 meters away, or up to 328 foot away, guys. And there, as you can see, everything is displayed right here. The CO2 level is 1130 ppm. The temperature is 77.7 Fahrenheit, and humidity is 78%. You also get the air pressure right in the middle at 1011 HPA. And as I mentioned earlier, you can always set this device to how often do you want it to read the CO2 level within your living area. If you go ahead and select set at the bottom right corner here, you will get into this menu where you will be able to select the measurement interval for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes to whatever you want. And at any time when the CO2 level is dangerously high in your home, you will get an alarm, a sound, and a notification as well, which is really, really nice. And a really good thing about this is privacy as well, guys. If you are concerned about the privacy of your home, even though it's just CO2 level, temperature, relative humidity, and air pressure, none of this information are sent anywhere. It is kept in your device only, so no one else knows of any of this information except yourself. And guys, that is the latest INKBIRD Smart Indoor Air Quality Monitor device. If you want to check it out, link to it will be in the description box down below. Click the link, check it out. Thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.